Dear students, today consider one new topic of trigonometry. This topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now, what is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles? Now we consider this. Now we consider one right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. That means this is hypotenuse. This one theta angle, and this is perpendicular, and remaining is base. So this will be hypotenuse. This is perpendicular, and remaining is base. Now we know this formula. This is sin theta equal to P by H. This is P by H. That means AB by AC. Number 2, cos theta equal to B by H. B means this base by hypotenuse. Base means BC and hypotenuse means AC. Number 3, tan theta equal to P by B, perpendicular by base. That means AB by BC. And number 4, cot theta equal to B by P. B means this B and this is P. BC by AB. And number 5, sec theta equal to H by B. H means AC and B means BC. This. And number 6, cosec theta equal to H by P, and this will be H by P, then AC by H means AC and P means AB. So we get this. These are the ratios, trigonometric ratios. Sin theta equal to P by H, then AB by BC. We write this, and sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Now, what is the measurement of this angle? If this is 90, this is theta, this angle will be 90 minus theta. Now, whether we consider this angle A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree, then angle, we want to find angle A and angle B given 90 plus C is theta. This is 180, then this will be A equal to 180 minus 90 minus theta, then A equal to 180 minus 90, 90 minus theta we get. So this angle will be 90 minus theta. Now we redrawing one figure, same figure we redrawing. Now we redrawing this figure, same figure we redrawing. Now first we consider theta angle, then at that time this is perpendicular, and 90 this is hypotenuse. Here also 90, then this is hypotenuse. And if we assume 90 minus theta, then this angle will be perpendicular. The perpendicular will be changed. If we consider this angle, this will be perpendicular and remaining is base. Now what we get? From this what we get? Again number 1, sin 90 degree minus theta. Sin means P by H. This is P by H. And P means, here P means BC, and H means AC. H means AC. So we get this. Number 2, cos 90 minus theta. This is B by H. B means, here B means AB. AB by H means AC. And number 3, tan 90 degree minus theta. Then this is P by B. This will be BC by AB. And number 4, cot 90 degree minus theta. This will be cot 90 degree minus theta. Then this is B by P. this is AB by BC. And number 5, this chord next sec 90 degree minus theta. Then we get sec means H by B, H means AC by, and B means AB. We get this. And number 6, cosec 90 degree minus theta. This will be, cosec means this is H by P, and this will be AC by BC. So we get, these are the formula we get from this. Both the figures are same. If we assume this angle, then these are the relation we get. If we assume this angle, this angle 90 minus theta, then we get these are the relation. 90 minus theta, then we get these are the relation. Now again, we rewriting this again. Number 1, in number 1, sine 90 degree minus theta. Sine 90 degree minus, the figures are same, both the figures are same. 90 degree minus theta is BC by AC, and here BC by AC means cos theta. So we get 90 degree minus theta BC by AC, but same BC by AC means cos theta. So we get, this will be cos theta. That means sine 90 minus theta equal cos theta, because this result is BC by AC, and here we get BC by AC means cos theta. Number 2, cos 90 minus theta, AB by AC, and here AB by AC means sin theta. So we get sin theta. Number 3, tan 90 degree minus theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta, BC by AB. And here BC by AB means cot theta. So we get cot theta. This. Number 4, cot 90 degree minus theta. This cot 90 degree minus theta, AB by BC. And here we get AB by BC means tan theta. So we get tan theta. Number 5, sec 90 minus theta. Number 5, sec 90 degree minus theta. This is AC by AB, and AC by AB what? AC by AB means cosec. Then this will be cosec theta. And number 6, cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta, 90 degree minus theta. Cosec 90 degree minus theta, AC by BC, and AC by BC is sec theta. So we get sec theta. So dear students, these are the formula. You have to by heart this formula. We shall use this as a formula when you solving the exercise. So the sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot is tan, sec is cosec, cosec is sec. Just you have to remember the friendship. Friendship is sin with cos, tan with cot, sec with cosec. Sin 90 minus theta, now what is the friend of sin? Then cos. 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta, friendship, sin and cos, then cos theta. Tan 90 minus theta, then cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta, then tan theta. Sec and cosec friendship, sec 90 minus theta, cosec, and cosec 90 minus theta, sec theta. So these are the formula. You have to remember this formula. You have to by heart this formula. Otherwise, the problem will be difficult. But if you using this formula, you can easily solve all the problems. Thanks.